Hey there, it's William West Hopper from Q4Travel, and we're at the Rochambeau Motor Lodge Motel in Williamsburg, Virginia. Well, we're not staying here because it's not open yet. It won't be open until fourth quarter of 2024. I'm going to say more like first quarter 2025, but really cool. So this is a 1954 motor lodge. This is what people used to stay in back in the day, post-World War II. The vets were home from World War II. Korea was sort of happening. Vietnam hadn't quite happened yet. But this was where you would come and stay. These motor lodges were the big things. This was before hotels, and then Holiday Inn sort of turned that whole market around. Holiday Inn and Hojo's, Howard Johnson's, turned everything around. So this is where you would have stayed, and we're going to take a little tour of this new property that's being restored. And I gotta say, restored is the perfect way to describe this. Let's take a look. So welcome to the Rochambeau Hotel Motor Lodge in Williamsburg, Virginia. This property is just about to open. And here we are. This is the first room. This is the one that was set up to use as a display space. So this is an old 1954 motor lodge. A motor lodge, yes, a motor lodge. Basically, this was before hotels. This was sort of before motels. They were quite big in the mid-20th century, late 50s and the 60s, and then they sort of went away in the 60s when Holiday Inn sort of started building stuff. What have they done in here? Just really nice. If you notice the Williamsburg-inspired wallpaper here. We are in Williamsburg. Sconces with light switches. The beautiful wainscoting that's here. USB-A, USB-C on both sides. So the room itself, pretty darn nice. And it's going to be really nice when furniture gets in here too. So their closet's an open concept closet, which has got a little refrigerator down there. They did that classic Frigidaire, so it kind of have that look to it. Probably be coffee service in there, place to hang clothes, plenty of place to put luggage. Air conditioning and the wall air conditioning. This is classic to what it was when it was built. What they're called now are splits. They have air conditioning and heating, and that's what this has. These units, 22 overall. There's going to be more later on. But if you notice, look at the vaulted ceiling, the cathedral ceiling stuff, the vaulted. This used to have just a flat ceiling, so it was just a really low square space. There'll be a TV on that wall, mounted TV on that wall. There'll also be a desk area, the bathroom here, pretty simple with a commode there and a shower in there. We can't do a shower test. Obviously, they're going to have this on the wall. These units on the wall, sort of the thing, and just nicely, everything's gonna be really nicely done. And I'm looking forward to the LVP flooring, which is nice. So this is what the final product is gonna look like. I can't wait till they open up this fall and get furniture in here. It's gonna be really nice. And look, even a ceiling fan. This is your first view of a up and coming new lodging facility, and yes, no, it's going to be like a lot fancier than this when it's finished. So here we are in a suite in the Rochambeau Motor Lodge. Now this was a suite back in the day. It was basically a living room with a bathroom and a kitchen space. You're going to see the kitchen's going to be there, bathroom will be there, and the bedroom's back there. We'll take a look at that, and then this will be sort of the living area, living room space. Notice the cathedral ceilings that they have put in. They've upgraded that. They used to just be flat ceilings. That they wanted to make more feeling of more space in here. So let's go back in and have a look at the bedroom. So you'll see a nice big bedroom space that's in here, and they'll fix this all up. You can see there's places over there for sconces, plugs on the wall with switches. This looks like there'll be a king bed in here. Really nice. And again, more of the cathedral ceiling with a fan up there. Just very cool. you're going to see some really nice things come out of this hotel. So you're going to get a big kick out of when you see what we're going to see when it's finished. And it's going to be finished probably in another 6 to 8 weeks. Hard to believe. So here we are in a king room. This is this is the before picture right here. This is what it's going to be like before. There'll be an area over there with an open air closet, a bathroom. This is a handicapped room actually, so it'll be a little bit bigger doorway there. Open air closet, handicapped bathroom, and then the bedroom space here, and the vaulted ceiling. Very, very nice. Again, another space, another king room. So the bathroom is sort of it's been roughed in, hasn't been done. All right, so this is a double room. So you can see the plug in the middle there. So there'll be two sort of, I would assume, singles. There's also going to be a room in here with bunk beds. That'll be kind of cool. I don't know which one that is. But you can see all the work that they have been doing on this space to make it, to rehab it. I mean, it has been a motor lodge since 1954 when it first opened. Some more rooms here being done. There are some adjoining rooms as well that are going to be put in. You can just... So out here in this sort of wilderness area, this is going to be set up sort of as a little park area, a gathering place, a public gathering place for the guests that are here. Property goes all the way back down into the woods, so really nice. And that's that garage there is sort of what they use for storage, so you can imagine that. While there's no swimming pool here, because that was a big thing in the day when motor lodges were, they had swimming pools. That was like the reason you would travel in the summer, take the kids swimming. There is not one. I have not heard if there is one planned for here. A couple of spots here you could do one. Certainly over here in that space is a very good possibility too. So there's going to be some EV chargers here, which will be good. They're still working on that plan. I think at first there's going to be some level 1s, but eventually they're going to put level 2 and probably some DC fast chargers in here. And if they do that, I think that's going to be a really big plus for them. So good luck to the team here at Hotel Rochambeau in Williamsburg, Virginia. This was a great opportunity for us to have a first look at a renovated historic property in Williamsburg, Virginia, the Rochambeau Roadside Inn. Check them out at www.stayrochambeau.com. That's STAYROCHAMBEAU.com. And also follow them on Instagram. Again, Instagram.com/StayRochambeau. There's no doubt you will enjoy your stay there once they open. Until next time.